Hello students, how are you today? You are welcome to English language class. I'm your teacher, Eram Samantha. Our today topic is Oh, sorry children, I forgot the topic. Now, it will take time to come back into my mind again. By that time, you watch these pictures and start guessing about the topic. Look at these pictures and tell me, where do you see all these things? I will give you a pause of second. Let's concentrate and then I will tell you the lesson name. Here is one more picture. It will also help you in guessing. I know you all students wondering about the topic of today. Yes, you all are right. These plants are found in the garden. So our today's topic is things in the garden. What is garden? Garden is the place where we grow plants. It means green life, soil, water, air and sunlight. It is made by humans and gardener look after the garden. We see many things in the garden. Now we will going to learn the things in the garden. There are natural and man-made things in the garden, means living and non-living things. Living things mean things that can grow, move, breathe and die in the end. Look at this picture. Here are birds, tree, bees, flower, snail and grass. These all are living things which you see in the garden. Okay children, which animal is this? Did you ever see this in garden? This is a squirrel. We can see squirrel in the garden. This is a cat. Cat is also found in the garden. Here is cock, hen with their chicks. These all animals are found in the garden. These are human beings, boy, girl, man, woman. They also visit the garden. They are living things. Now, look at this. These are insects. We find them in garden. They are in the soil, on the trees, and in the air they fly. This is a picture of an earthworm. It's live in the soil. Now, here are some insects name. Read aloud with name with me. Bees, spider, butterfly, worms, caterpillar, grasshopper, snail, snake, ladybug and ants. Now you know their names now. So tell me, where is fly? This is a fly. This is ant, honeybee, beetle and ladybug. These all are insects. They live in the garden. Now this is one more picture. Look at this picture. What are these? These are tools. Where we use these tools? Look at this picture and concentrate and think about it. These tools are used in the garden. These are non-living things. They cannot grow, move, or die. Gardener use these tools in the garden for cultivation the plants. He is the gardener. He used these tools. Here you can see swing, benches, fountain. These are non-living things. Rock, dustbin, flower pot, and many other things you can find in the garden which are non-living things. Here is the picture. Here are names of tools. You can also search from the internet more about it. He is a gardener. He take care of the garden. Garden is the place where all children and adults like to go for relaxing and getting fresh air from the plants. When you go into the garden, the calm green environment change your mood and you feel happy and fresh. All this is because of gardener. He waters the plant and takes care of them. He cleans and keep the garden green. He grow plants like flower, trees, grass, fruit and vegetables. Children, why do you love to go into the garden? Children and adults go for relaxing ourselves. Activities we do in the gardens. Children digging the soil, playing with ball. Look at this picture. Girl is doing skipping. Some do exercises. Some are playing, riding the bicycle, flying the kite, sack race. Here children are doing sack race, jumping, running, hide and seek, and many more other activities children do in the garden. Some children like to play in the soil. They dig the soil and play with it. People go for jogging and walking also. Small kids play with balloons and they like it when it floating in the open air. Here children are playing. Today you had learned many things about garden. Now it's time to take deep breath and smile because you had learned so many new things today. It's time to finish our lesson and do your home task. Your home task is whatever you have learned today, share with your friends and family and tell them about the activities you had learned, like living thing and non-living things. Here is some home tasks for you. You have to do on the Foldscape sheet and submit in the school office on Thursday between 9 till 11. I read these questions for you. Write any 5 names of living thing which you see in the garden. Draw pictures also. Write any 5 names of non-living things which you see in the garden. Draw pictures also. Do you like to go into the garden? Give 2 reasons why do you go there. Learn 5 names of tools which used in the garden. Learn any 5 names of insect which you see in the garden. These are the questions you have to do by the help of your parents. And watching the video again and again also help you in solving these questions. Now it's time to finish our lesson. Children, have a good day with full of joy and happiness. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.